Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Valorant voice chat not working. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is to check your in-game settings. So first of all, go into settings, go into audio, and here you'll see voice chat. Over here you need to make sure that voice chat is enabled. Also make sure that your microphone is selected as the input device. Also make sure that the volume of the voice chat is turned up. Now on the bottom left hand side on the search bar, search for device manager and now open it up. Now over on the left hand side of audio inputs, click on the arrow. Now over here, right click on your microphone and click on update driver. Once your driver is updated, see if it works. If it doesn't, then go into settings, and now on the left hand side click on privacy. Now on the left hand side click on microphone. Now over here make sure that allow apps to access your microphone is toggled on. And then scroll down and make sure it is toggled on for Valorant as well. Now go back to the main settings and at the bottom click on update and security. Now over here click on check for updates. And make sure to update your Windows to the latest version. You can also try contacting customer support or completely reinstalling the app. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.